Welcome to Matthew YouTube channel. In this class, I am explaining about application of derivatives. What are application derivatives? Application derivatives are nothing but we are applying the derivatives in some geometrical areas. That means in rectangle, sphere, triangle, tetrahedron, anywhere. Circle. So we can use these derivatives in some geometrical areas, geometrical figures. For the purpose of geometrical figures, we can use these derivatives. Those are called applications of derivatives. See this problem. In this problem, some errors are there. What is error? Error is nothing but the difference between approximation value and accurate value. Suppose approximate value is 2 point something 34567. Accurate value is 2.3. That is the difference is called approximate error. That approximation, that accurate value. The difference between approximation and accurate value is called error. So that type of errors how to find by using these derivatives. Okay? See this problem. Find the radius of a sphere is measured in as 14 centimeter. Later, it was found that there is an error 0.02 centimeter. Is measuring in radius. Find the approximate error in surface area of the sphere. See here. We want approximate error in surface area of the sphere. What is given? Radius of sphere is given and error is given after some measurement. So what is the error? That is change in radius of the sphere, that is infinitesimal value. Infinitesimal value of R is this one. Okay. See problem. Given radius of the sphere equals to R equals to 14 centimeter. Okay. What is the infinitesimal value of R? Value of R, del R equals to 0.02 centimeter. Please remember this. Infinitesimal value is nothing but change in value, approximate value. That is the error. Okay, that is infinitesimal value of R, that is del R. Okay, what is the surface area of the sphere? So S is equals to 4 pi R square. This is S. Now, infinitesimal value of S is del S equals to 4 pi into 2 R del R. 8 pi. What is R? 14 del R 0.02. Now 14 into 8 into 0.02. 112 into 0.02. 224. That means 2.24. 2.245. That is the answer. Okay. In this way, you find the approximate error in surface area of the sphere. Therefore, approximate error in surface area of the sphere equals to 2.24 pi. That is the required answer. Okay. In this you can find the approximate error in the surface area of the sphere. Okay guys, please follow these steps. See the next problem. The diameter of a sphere is measured to be 40 centimeter. So diameter is 40 centimeter. If an error of 0.02 centimeter is made in it, error is 0.02 centimeter. Then find approximate errors in volume and surface area of sphere. Volume and surface area. we want to find the volume and surface area of the sphere. How to find? Errors occur in volume and surface area of the sphere. How to find? Same manner. Volume is del V and surface is del S. That's all. Okay? Simple solution. Given diameter of a sphere D equals to 40 centimeter. Error occurred in diameter. Error occurred in diameter. Del D equals to 0.02 centimeter. Now, what do you want? Volume. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, that's equals to 4 by 3 pi into what is r? D is equal to 2r. R is equal to d by 2. Take a sphere. This is diameter. This is center. R. Okay. Now r means what? D by 2 whole cube. Now 4 by 3 into pi into d cube divided by 8. 4 to ja. That means pi d cube by 3 to ja 6. Okay. Now this is what? V. Okay. Next, approximate error in volume. Error in volume. This is V. You know, infinite value of infinite value of V is del V. What is del V? What is del V? Del V is nothing but pi by 6 constant 3 d square del d. 3 d square del d. This is differentiation. That is dx of x to the power of n equals to nx to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Here del v equals to pi by 6 3d square 3 into d square. What is d square? D diameter 40 square into del d 0.02. Now pi by 6 into 3 into 1600 into 0.02. Now see here 3 to 1 32 00 after 2 decimals point by 2 pi. That means 16 pi. That's all. So therefore approximate error in volume is equal to approximate error in volume of a sphere equals to 16 pi. That is the answer. Okay. In this, you are going to find the approximate error in volume of a sphere. In the same manner, surface area. Surface area of a sphere S equals to 4 pi r square. If you want, please check my past videos all about areas, rectangle or triangle or rhombus or this sphere, circle. So many are there. So please observe past videos and understand carefully about those things, circle and some other things. Okay. Okay. Now this is equals to 4 pi into d by 2 whole square. 4 pi into d square by 4. 4 gets cancelled. Pi d square. Therefore, infinitesimal value of S is del S equals to pi into 2d del d. Okay? Pi into 2 into d means 40. Del d is nothing but 0.02. Okay? Now 816 0 after 2 digits pi. Approximate error in approximate surface area of the sphere equals to 1.6. In this you can find the approximate error in volume and surface area of the sphere. Here important point is infinitesimal value of R is del R. Infinitesimal value of D is del D. Volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. That's all. Please remember this point. That's all. Okay? Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe Maths Everyday channel, like and share it. Thank you.